Hi friends, I'm so happy to see you today. Let's do our circle time. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome job! Okay, let's do our calendar. We'll start with our days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, let's do our month song. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo! Woo! Okay, my friends, now it's time to count the days in the month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and today is number 8. It is Wednesday, April 8. Okay, thank you for joining me for circle time. Circle time is all done, all done. All done. Circle time is all done, and now it's time for play.